Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm Bella and today I am in Ashby and I'm at Moira Furnace, which is that big building behind me. It is made of brick and it is an iron furnace. So I'm just going to tilt this so you can see how tall it is and we're going to see what it actually does. So yeah, let's go check it out. Welcome to Moira Furnace Museum and Country Park map. Ta-da! Moira Furnace. And there it is. And here we are. Let's have a look. What can we see in here? Ducks. Lots of ducks. We will go and have a look at the lime kiln, which apparently is just over here. So let's go and check it out. Lime kiln. I'm in a lime kiln. Strange tunnel. Oh, you don't get very far. There's a hole! Lime kiln!
When you walk down this little aisle here, you look in the kiln thing there,
Ooh.
and you can see daylight, and that way like that. You see all of them.
Smelly but pretty. A stinky bog. More stinky bog.
Now I know where that toilet goes to.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed my day at Moira Furnace in Ashby. Please like, comment and subscribe and thank you for support. Bye!